Hi, everybody. It's Mel.
And Steve. And we've got a thing going on that's pretty interesting. Can you tell me about it, Steve?
I'd be happy to. A friend of mine posted this on Facebook as she came out of her work, and there's a set of bushes or something across the way, and she saw this card hanging on the bushes, and she sent the picture of it saying, does anybody have any clue what this is? And I immediately zoomed in on the fact that it looks like it has a secret code on it.
Can you show us the picture?
I'd be happy to. So here is a picture of the
kind of hard to
post,
see it,
which you can't see.
Here's a picture.
And then
below it
is another
which you can't
picture,
even see even more, but does have that what you can't see even more does have like all these letters,
so
which you still can't see it even more because light and shit.
Darn it.
Back it up a little,
sort of
or angle it a bit.
Yeah,
I don't know what.
So
anyway, there's letters.
It has a giant cock, and
can't really see.
Two people worshiping it, and then
letters below.
Underneath there's a code, and so I spent some time looking at this. The code is laid out in a grid, and there's a couple codes that are done that way. There's the letters that are used are a kind of combination of Greek letters, English letters, and Russian letters, and one non-letter symbol. There's a symbol that's not used in any language. And at first I thought it might actually be a dot, and
like for .com, so this was a website.
Yeah, that it was like a URL, but if it is, it's written backwards. And I did verify that the picture's not just backwards. The picture is correct. And if you look at some of the letters, well, I don't know. It's unclear. Some of the letters look like they might be backwards. Maybe it is backwards.
Well, we don't know yet. But so what are we going to do? We're going to spend a little time right now. I'm not going to fit it all. What are we going to do?
We're going to spend a little time trying to crack this. I'm going to go over with Mel what I already did, which was I took these letters and substituted English letters for them so that I could put it into a couple online code cracking programs, and none of them came up with anything. So we're going to try to do it the old-fashioned way.
We're pretty good at cryptograms.
We're going to take a look at letter distribution and see if we can't figure this out ourselves by hand.
We'll get back to you later on that. What? Yes, we will.